Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have Edge ready and the PDF visible. Start now. First, open File Explorer and navigate to the folder with your PDF. Right-click the file, select Open With, then choose Microsoft Edge. If Edge is missing from the list, choose another app and browse for Microsoft Edge. This launches Edge and displays the file immediately. Once the document appears, make sure to look for the toolbar at the top for page navigation, zoom, and save options so you can continue. Once the PDF is open in Edge, use the built-in toolbar to control view and navigation. Zoom, fit to width, and page arrows make reading easier. Use Ctrl+F to search text quickly. That's faster than scrolling. If you need annotations, click Add Notes or use the Draw and Highlight tools to mark content, then use Save or save a copy to preserve edits. Make sure to check the print preview before printing, and use the Share or Read Aloud features for accessibility needs. To finish, save any edits and close the tab. Remember, Edge only keeps annotations if you explicitly save. If you want PDFs to always open in Edge, go to Settings, Apps, Default Apps, and pick Microsoft Edge for PDF. If the file won't open, first confirm the extension is PDF and the download completed. Try re-downloading. If Edge still fails, try opening the PDF in another reader to check corruption, or restart Edge and your computer before retrying the steps above.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.